Happy birthday, Eli! Be a good boy. We miss you.
Happy
Birthday, Eli!
Wish you good health.
And remember, Eli, I'm your favorite ninong. Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Eli!
I love you!
Hi Elijah, happy
Hey,
birthday!
Happy birthday, Elijah!
We love you!
We love you!
May the Lord bless you and have a happy, happy birthday!
Yeah, have a wonderful birthday. I hope you get a lot of presents.
Say hi, Lucy!
Happy birthday, Elijah! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Inyong lahat! Love you!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Eli! God bless you! See you soon! Love you! Miss you! Bye-bye!
Hi Eli! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang ngayong birthday mo is good health. Miss na miss ka na ni tita. I hope to see you soon. I love you!
Happy birthday! Joke lang. Hindi tayo kakanta. Anyway, Eli, I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. And sorry na wala ako dyan. But know that I love you and I miss you so much. And my birthday wish for you is to be always na masiyahin, mabait, and pogi. Yan. And syempre na may fear of God and mahal mo yung mga magulang mo. So, just continue to be a blessing to everyone and ayun, just enjoy your birthday and sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo, patuloy niyo pong alagaan si Eli to grow up na healthy and yan, siyahin. Yun lang ang importante. And ayun, thank you so much and hope to see you soon, baby. Happy birthday!
Happy first birthday, mahal ko nga po, Elijah. Kahit malayo ako, lagi kang nasa puso ko at dasal ko. Kayo ni Kuya Nate. Salamat kay Lord sa buhay mo at napakagandang blessing ito sa akin. Dasal ko na lumaki kang masaya, malusog at laging nasa gabay ng Diyos. Huwag ka mag-alala po, darating ang panahon na magkakasama na rin tayo. At yayakapin ko kayo ni Kuya Nate ng mahigpit. Promise. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, Elijah at Nathan. God bless you always. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!
Sabi mo si